All right, welcome back to another episode of Relax and Repeat. In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to express anxiety in English. Pay attention to how many idioms we use to talk about this. I'm sure you'll hear some new idioms in this lesson, even if you're an advanced speaker. So anyway, I just want you to relax and repeat everything I say exactly how I say it. And I've listed all the vocabulary down there below the video, so you can go check that out if you don't understand a few of the words. All right, you ready to start? Here we go. This virus stuff just gives me the heebie-jeebies. I mean, you can't see it. Everyone is freaking out about something you can't even see. Is it like on the door of my fridge? Do I have to wash my hands every single time I touch anything? It just gives me the creeps knowing that there's something deadly floating around and I can't see it. My hubby's just cool as a cucumber. Nothing phases him. But for me, I'm just a bundle of nerves, and my kids are worried sick. Every time I read the news, it makes my blood run cold. Doesn't this stuff just give you the willies? It's funny, my grandpa lives on a farm and he doesn't have internet. So he doesn't even know what's going on in the world. I don't think he'd get very worked up about it anyway, because he's got nerves of steel. Plus, he's basically a hermit, so no one needs to lecture him about social distancing. He just lives off the land and never comes into contact with other human beings. I think rednecks and hillbillies are probably the best suited to weather this storm. They're the least dependent on the grid. Anyway, I just hope this blows over soon so we can get our lives back.